What is good, everyone? In this video, I'm gonna be sketching a character wearing the Yeezy insulated boots and the Yeezy Gap jacket. I have a collection of drawings that I made already. I started off with a rough sketch to try to get nice form and proportions. Once I'm happy with my sketch, then I can start to clean up my line. Now let's jump right into the video. Once I'm happy with my proportions, I can start to clean up my line. Now that I have a clean sketch, I can start to add some color and a few shadows. All dripped out in Yeezy Gap. If you like this video, subscribe, hit that notification, like the video, and I will catch you in the next one.